The commander of the Iskandar Muda Military Command, Major General Ahmad Marzuki, became the inspector of ceremonies at the commemoration of National Heroes Days in 2021. The activity with the theme "With My Heroes, My Inspirations" was held at the Aceh Governor's Office courtyard, Wednesday, November 10, 2021. In his address, the military commander Iskandar Muda, who read a speech from the Minister of Social Affairs, Tri Risma Harini, conveyed the message that for hundreds of years Indonesia had been colonized and divided through the politic of fighting each other. Ahmad Marzuki advised the Indonesian people not to be quickly divided by issues of ethnicity, religion, race, and intergroups by continuing to promote mutual cooperation and unity. Differences actually strengthen unity and remain tolerant according to slogan Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. In addition, the regional commander also advised to take the value of heroism as an inspiration. Everyone can become a hero in any field, according to his abilities, at least for his family and community, said Ahmad Marzuki. After the ceremony, Pangdam and Forkopimda Aceh handed over Bungong Jaro to the families of heroes and veterans.